91, the second video. He gave out a cry in frustration and anguish. Frustration means nothing can be more irritating for different ability. वो दर्द से चीखा. He gave out a cry. हम कब हम हमारे आंख में आंसू आ जाते हैं जब हमें दुख या दर्द होता है. His dreams and efforts all dashed in there. ये क्यों रोया? इसलिए रोया कि उसको चोट लग गई. He cried because he have understood now he's out of the game. वो गिर गया है. बाकी की जो 8 पार्टिसिपेंट्स है वो आगे निकल गए हैं. Other 8 have moved ahead और वो पीछे रह गया है और वो डिस्क्वालिफाइड हो गया है. His dream, उसका सपना था, एथलीट का सपना क्या था कि मुझे ये रेस कंप्लीट करके गोल्ड जीतना है अपने देश के लिए, अपने लिए, and make my country proud. His dreams and his efforts, effort means his hard work, all dashed in the dirt, सब पानी में मिल गया. But as sure as I'm standing here telling this story, the same goes for what next occurred. पर मैं यहाँ पर इसलिए हूँ, poet is saying this line, that he is here to tell what happened next when he fell down. अब उसके बाद क्या हुआ जब उसको गिरने के बाद? What we can assume that he has fallen down, others 8 are running, and out of that, one will win the gold, one will win the silver, one will win the bronze. But here the poet is saying something strange happened. What that strange we will come to know in the next stanza. The 8 other runners pulled up on their heels, the one who had trained for so long to complete. It means the 8 other runners, एक गिर गया, 8 जो दौड़ रहे थे, pulled up on their heels और दौड़ रहे थे. Because the one who have trained, उनके जो कोच थे, उनके जो गुरु थे, they have given only one lesson to him, that you have to complete the race and win the gold for your country and for yourself. This was the clear message by the coach, by the instructor to them. One by one, they all turned around and went back to help them. So this is a turning point of the poem. The youngest boy who had fallen down, जो गिर गया था, उसको ये लगा कि अब मैं रेस से बाहर हो चुका हूँ, मेरा जो उसका एम था, जो सपना था, वो टूट चुका है, क्योंकि उसका गोल्ड मिलने का सपना टूट चुका है, क्योंकि वो हार गया. बाकी 8 आगे निकल गए हैं. जो 8 आगे निकल गए, तो 8 those who were running, the coach or instructor have given one lesson to them, that you have to win the goal and you have to win the race. But something else happened. What else happened? One by one, the rest 8, all the 8, one by one, एक एक करके they turned around, घूमे, means they have on their way running, so रुक गए और एक एक करके वापस घूमे. Why they turned up? And to help the child, to help the youngest boy who had fallen down, and brought the young boy to his feet. उसको अपने पैर में खड़े ला के ले गए. So this is what the aim is. उस बच्चे को उठाया. So this is what we call as a true sportsman spirit. True sports person. This shows kindness, love, and respect. If someone is fallen today, we start laughing, and we start making fun of that person. It should not be that. Over here, this 8 athletes have given a very good lesson, and one by one, एक एक करके घूमे and brought the young boy to his feet. उसको हाथ पकड़े और उसको खड़े किया. Then all the 9 runners joined hand in hand, continued. उन्होंने सबके एक दूसरे हाथ इस तरह पकड़े, holding one by one their hands, and they started now walking. So ये running race जो था, अब चेंज हो चुका है walking race में. पहले इनको दौड़ना था, पर अब उन लोगों ने सबने एक दूसरे के हाथ पकड़े. That hand shows respect, love, and care. The 100-yard dash now reduced to walk. अब वो जो 100 मीटर जो रेस था, अब वो वॉक में रिड्यूस हो चुका है. and a banner above that Special Olympic. और उसके पीछे बैनर लगा हुआ था. Special Olympic means the people who are having a problem in any part of the body, and all could have not been more than a mark. And he shows the love, respect. That's how the race ended. So last stanza says these 9 athletes, they have completed the race holding their each other hand and walking, and they came to the finishing line, and वहां तक finishing line तक उन्होंने हाथ नहीं छोड़ा. Means no one was selfish. कोई मतलब ही नहीं था. And a standing ovation, and 9 ovation means all the audience crowd, they were giving ovations. खड़े होकर उनके लिए ताली बजाई. They were giving a huge applause to them, and being a faces said more than these words ever. And 9 beaming faces said more than these words ever will be. Or this true poem, poet has said that this 9 gold medals had given a lesson to everyone. Winning and losing is not important. What is important is to be a true sports person. What is important to be kindness, love, and respect, and be compassion. This is the poet is saying. Poet ने हमें बहुत अच्छा इसे हमें बहुत अच्छी हमें सब मिली है. तो हमें इस that we need to keep what the poet overall wants to say. 9 लोगों ने उस रेस में पार्ट लिया, और जो फिजिकली डिसेबल्ड थे, उसमें जो सबसे छोटा था वो रेस स्टार्ट होते ही गिर गया था. He had fallen down. 8 जो आगे निकल गए थे वो रुक गए, एक एक करके घूमे. एक ने उसको देखा, एक ने उसका, और सब ने मिलकर उसका हाथ उठाया, उसका हाथ पर उसको खड़ा किया. They made him stand, and what they did, holding their hand, हाथ पकड़ के एक दूसरे के, और वो रेस को जो 100 मीटर रेस को दौड़ने का रेस था वो वॉक में बदल गया. By the when they came to the finishing line, all were surprised and shocked कि बहुत अच्छा लगा. और जितनी भी ऑडियंस थे, पब्लिक थी, they all अपने जगह खड़ा होकर उनके लिए ताली मारी. That उनको रिस्पेक्ट दिया, उनको सराहा. तो हमें भी मतलब हमें what we learn that we should not make fun of others. If suppose in the race, if someone could not win the race for some reason, so we should encourage or we should motivate that child, that sports person. We should not make fun of that, right? So here I am ending the poem. I hope you've understood. So you can also giving you the notes, copy the notes of this in your notebook. Thank you, and God bless you all.